Hello everyone, welcome back to the course Introduction to Prompt Engineering. In last module, we saw what is prompt, and in this module, we will see what is prompt engineering. So there are four elements that we have to consider while understanding prompt engineering. First is the definition. So its definition, if you see, it's not only an art, it's not only a science, it's the combination of science and art. So if you are giving prompt, it does not mean you only have to take care about the structure how you are giving, which is a scientific process. You also have to be little creative while giving the prompt to the AI system. So this is the combination of art as well as science, and we know that its goal is to get the desired response, which has to be relevant and accurate. And if you are talking about its process, it involves designing, refining and optimizing prompts, and how we can do that through the iterative process. It does not mean we are giving prompt to the AI system and we are getting the desired result. You have to refine it by the iterative process. You have to do it again and again, and you will get the right response. So prompt engineering is cannot be understand only in the context of giving the text and right structure to the AI system, but three other fields that we have to take care. I mean, we do not have to learn that, but we have to take care about the linguistics, psychology and computer science. Linguistic, I mean the way you are giving the word, irrespective of the language. There are AI systems we are taking care for so many languages, but you have to take care about the linguistics. Which language you are using, the linguistics has to be correct. The words, the flow of words has to be correct. Psychology means you do not have to be psychologist, but what is the purpose behind this prompt? What do you want to achieve out of that? So though we will be understanding what the context and everything in the next module, but here we have to understand what is the purpose of psychology here. And computer science does not mean you need to run any model or you need to learn programming. You just need to understand how these model works. If you are giving the prompts, how it's reading the information and giving you the output. So these are the few things, if we consider, we can craft a better response. Why prompt engineering is important? We talked about it a lot. So let's see that in this slide very briefly. So it enhances AI performance, improves user experience, increases efficiency, and we know that how we can do that by iterative process. Enable complex tasks, we can divide it, reduce errors. Customization, we can take the prompt and we can customize the same prompt for different other use cases, and if we know how to create a better prompt, we can use it in different ways. So these are some important things that we can get from the prompt engineering. So this slide is going to be very important because we will be looking at, there are several users, those who are using this prompt engineering techniques, and you can get the best result out of the ChatGPT or AI system. But what are the things you should be cautious about? We will be looking at that as well. So if you see this, these 8 users I have written here, the first 4 are color coded as red. So that means they have to be little cautious while using the content from the AI system, while the below 4, though they have to be cautious, but they should not be much worried about how to use the content. And let me explain why. Because the first 4, writers, content creator, researchers, educators and business professionals, because they are writing the content for their audience. So if you are getting the content from AI system and you are using the content as it is, and you are delivering as it is to your customers, so there are tools, there are ways the people can find out, okay, if it is AI generated or not. So your credibility is at the stake if you are giving it to your audience as it is. So to get the content from ChatGPT or AI system, its only purpose is to get the idea and outline. So never use that content as it is. Make changes, make it like it's written by you or it's produced by you, though you can get the help from that, but don't produce as it is. For marketers, customer service, personal users and software developers, they are going to use the content which is generated by the AI system by themselves. They do not have to produce this to the audience. Suppose the software developer is creating the code, so that code he does not have to provide to anyone. Only he has to be cautious if the code is correct or not. If the code is not giving the right answer, he know by itself, and there is no risk. No risk if it is going to the audience. So that's why if you are giving the prompts, if you are giving the right prompts, you will get the right answers. But how to consume that content, this is what you have to take care. And we will see that there how we can check that if the content is AI generated or not. We have several tools available online free. You can check that and we will see that. So this is all about this module. This is a small module. I just wanted to spare some time for what exactly is the prompt engineering and what are the things we need to take care. So we do not have any lab here for the next module, that is module number 4. We will be looking at crafting effective prompts. For now, bye bye.